To begin this demonstration, we will create 3 Azure Sentinel Analytics Rules using the Azure Sentinel built-in rule templates. When a rule is created, it is displayed in the Active Rules section. When a rule is created from a built-in rule template, the built-in rule template is tagged with the words, "In use." In this demonstration, it takes approximately 20 seconds to create each rule from a built-in rule template. This does not take into consideration the time required to filter out rule templates that will not validate without third-party resources. To expedite the process and create the remaining rules, we will import the remaining built-in rule templates using an Azure Resource Manager template from our GitHub repository. The Azure portal session is manually refreshed in order to update the in-use tags displayed on the Azure Sentinel built-in rule templates. In this demonstration, it takes approximately 20 seconds to create 31 analytics rules using an Azure Resource Manager template from our GitHub repository. In addition to optimized deployment of Azure Sentinel Analytics Rules, the Azure Resource Manager templates in our GitHub repository enable optimized modification. We will use a Python 3 script to edit the rule frequency and rule period for a set of Azure Sentinel built-in analytics rules contained within an Azure Resource Manager template from our GitHub repository. By following the prompts in the Python terminal, we are able to set the rule frequency to 10 minutes and the rule period to 30 minutes for this set of analytics rules. A copy of the Azure Resource Manager template has been created, with the prefix, quick response, appended to the file name. We will now import the Quick Response Azure Resource Manager template with the modified analytics rules in order to update the rule frequency and rule period for the corresponding active analytics rules. In this demonstration, we are able to modify 31 analytics rules simultaneously rather than opening and editing each analytics rule individually.